Hey everybody, this is Dave Cooper. We are in Phoenix, Arizona at Advancing Prefab 2025, and we have a really cool product that I think you guys should see. I am standing with Kendall France. Kendall, you're going to talk to us a little bit about MAPES and what you guys do. And what is that?
That's right. So MAPES Industries, we're a manufacturer of architectural aluminum products designed for commercial construction. We're here at Prefab. Traditionally, a lot of times canopies have been stick built on site out of steel. Steel's heavy, steel rusts, requires a lot of maintenance. Typically, if you're building something out of steel, you're going to have maybe your steel guy doing the structure. You're going to have a roofer coming in, adding a roof system to it, and then a finisher coming in and painting it. So you got three different trades versus what we do is we have a pre-engineered, prefabricated design of an aluminum canopy system. This is lighter weight, rust-free, zero maintenance, and we can handle any wind and drift loads anywhere in North America, so we send our product all over the country.
I mean, look, it looks like it's built like a tank, right? It's a solid product. And again, everything is about doing more with less. You know, there is less trades in the field, and it's all about getting heads or beds, getting, stores open, whatever that may be. Like you said, you guys are doing 7-Elevens, right? So it's a pre-hung canopy. So in other words, I can send you exactly what I'm working on and what my buildings are, and you say, well, these are the specs that we have. It already meets all the code. I'll ship it to you, and you're going to install it and have it up in a day.
Yeah, so everything is custom, so we can do it really any dimensions as far as the projection you want off the wall. And then any width, whether it's going over just a single door, or if it's, you're spanning across an entire loading dock and you've got 500 feet worth of canopies, we can do that. Like you mentioned, we work with a lot of national brands that want consistency in their look and design and the performance of the product, and they don't want to have to recreate the wheel for every location they're doing. They've got a prototype, and they specify MAPES to fit in there because they want good lead times and a consistent, high-quality product.
Right. Now, do you guys do the install as well, or do you have certified installers? How does that work?
No, we're just a manufacturer, so we don't do any direct installation, but we work with a network of subcontractors that we've worked with for decades. We've got thousands of different dealers and installers across the country. Met with and talked to a bunch of them that are familiar with our product here at this show, and some that are excited to start working with it because they like the ease of use and all the different applications that they can get from something like this.
Yeah. And I think a key factor was anywhere in North America these can go.
That's right. We've got our product in all 50 states, in the Caribbean, in Canada. We can handle wind and snow loads anywhere in the country within the parameters of what we can do with our aluminum system. So.
Awesome. All right, so this isn't all that MAPES do, so we're going to come over here. Kendall, thank you so much for taking a few minutes with us.
Thank you, Dave.
Talk to me a little bit about what you guys do here.
Sure. So the other side of MAPES is our infill panels. These infill panels typically replace glass in most glazing systems, your curtain walls, storefront, window walls, glazing systems like that. Architects really like using them not only for a design aspect on the building, but also for spandrel areas to kind of cover up some unsightly areas. And it also has some performance benefits, thermal efficiency, some fire stopping portions as well. Our newest product is an insulated back pan. The traditional way of making those was on-site assembly with skilled labor performing all the work on site. We will manufacture that in the factory to size, to your spec, and send it out ready to install.
Pre-made, pre-manufactured, plug and play.
Name of the game.
Got it. Talk to me about these other panels that are behind us. What's the difference in what we're looking at here?
So they're all essentially infill panels. They all have slightly different benefits. So MAPE shape is a good design aspect for architects. It reduces shadow lines on your building.
So walk me through what I'm looking at here.
Sure. So in that panel, there's 8 different layers of materials. So there is the exterior skin, which is what is seen from the exterior side. It's finished either anodized or painted or powder coated finish. Behind that is a stabilizing substrate and an insulating core.
Right.
A typical MAPES panel will outperform any IGU in the same glazing pocket. and they are all built to spec, so we can use various components and configurations to assemble what you need.
So if I'm a manufacturer of volumetric panelization, I can send you my plans. You can build these to spec, ship them to my manufacturing facility, and I can plug and play it into my wall.
Exactly.
It's already framed out with this.
This is actually supplied by the framing manufacturer, and the glazing contractor would install this into the frame.
Got it. How about this other panel that's back here?
Sure. MAPES R Plus and MAPES Span. Yeah, there you go. So this is a combination of two different products.
Yeah.
The exterior facing on this one is spandrel glass. Architects like it because it can blend in with other glass aspects on the building.
Right.
But if you look on the interior side, it has rabbeted edges so that you can fit more insulation than you could within your standard glazing pocket. This panel can be manufactured up to 6 inches thick for R values north of 40. Although that's a rare need, sometimes it does come up.
Yeah, for sure. What's the value of your product over somebody else's products on the market?
The value isn't essentially just in the product. The value is with MAPES and the way that we try to treat our customers. We treat everything as a standalone job, so we want to create the best products for you and your job and specific to what your needs are.
Andy, appreciate you having us on. It's very clear looking at all the companies across the country, and I guess even global, right, Canada and elsewhere, that's using your product. This is a product that I think if you're out there, you're in offsite manufacturing and you're not familiar with it, it's worth taking a look. It's another tool in the tool belt, right? So I'm Dave Cooper. Andy, Kendall, thank you for having us. Advancing Prefab 2025, I'm Dave Cooper. Thanks for watching.